say that again?
So that's a good flashlight.
Oh yeah. I enjoy using this thing at night because this thing is bright, and that's exactly what you need. All right, let me get the spare out. There we go. Sure there's air in this thing. All right, there is some. So I'm going to do some more air. All right. Oh yeah, there it is, right
Wow.
there.
Can I get a picture of it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I wonder if something like that could be plugged or not.
Yep, it can be repaired.
It can?
Yep.
Oh, what is that? Is that like a key or something?
It looks like a key.
Wow. I'm sorry, I'm extra.
No problem.
That is pretty big.
Yeah.
It had to have been over here in the neighborhood because I drove home.
Yeah.
And there was no problem or anything, you know.
Oh yeah. Well, but the good part is it can be repaired, so.
Yeah.
Key.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Lock, we call it lock nuts or
Wheel lock keys.
wheel lock keys?
Yeah.
If a person doesn't have one, can you still do their tires?
Yep, just need a wheel lock key removal kit.
Do you have one?
I have one.
Oh, okay. So I wouldn't have one.
Yeah. That's something, it's like a specialty tool. You'll have to go out and buy it like at Harbor Freight. Yeah.
Yeah. I always wondered if I removed it.
Oh yeah. That knowing that there's a tool to take that right off, in my opinion, they're pointless.
Yeah.
Because if they want your wheel, they'll just take it.
Just take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.